Hi and welcome to Total Therapy Solutions. My name is Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist here in our Middletown location. As the post-surgical experts in orthopedic care, we understand how frustrating surgery can be. You're not able to do the things that you want to do and you want to get back to life as quickly as possible. So because of that, we've made physical therapy as easy and convenient as possible. We offer same-day appointments. We have morning, afternoon, and evening sessions available 5 days a week. And if you're wondering how much physical therapy will cost, our team of insurance experts will call and verify benefits before your first session. Our promise to you is that you'll never receive a surprise bill that you weren't expecting. So if you're ready to take that first step back to recovery and get back to doing the things that you enjoy most, call us today. Schedule an appointment. We promise to make this as enjoyable as possible.